go, and what we're going to do is we're gonna sew this right down. I wanted to show you when we get a little bit closer. Let's see if I can. Okay, so right here, you want to make sure you come, there's like a little section right here. If you go under where these points meet, you're going to cut your point off. If you go too far above it, not an exact 1/4 of an inch, it's going to kind of look square in the middle and not pointy. And it really just does take practice, even for me. It doesn't always work, but you can see right in here, and maybe on the back side, I wonder if you could see that a little bit better, this little crisscross right here. So you don't want to go under it, and you don't want to go too far above it, because you want your points to come to a point in the middle of the pinwheel. Okay, so let's get this. And your little stick comes in pretty handy as you're going through, and you want to make sure that you keep your seams straight. Also, and my fabric is pulling a little bit, so I'm going to move that pin. I'm coming to that little point right there, and I'm going to make sure I don't go under, but I also am not too far. Come to the end. Let's see if that looks okay. And there you have pretty pointy, and we didn't cut them off, which is good. And now we're going to go back to the sewing machine and get this pressed and get all the threads out.